One of the other big things that's kind of changed to make this a lot more approachable is the admin and security layers, right? It used to be you were either managing on premise and you were in your Nutanix portal, your VMware portal, or you were managing in Azure and you were in your Azure portal, and they didn't talk, right? There wasn't a lot of interaction there. But whether it's Microsoft's server management application that can run cloud and local, and you can run all your servers and see them from an admin perspective, local and in the cloud, or it's a product like Azure Local, which is literally running Azure code on a server in your desk, in your office, your data center, but it's a unified management portal. It's the Azure portal. Or it's some of the security features. We can run, Windows Defender for Endpoint on servers in the cloud and local. You can run Azure Arc in the cloud and local. You can run all these collectors from the Azure perspective where your security posture is showing resources in the cloud and local in the same portal, even if it's not on Azure Local. It's on that Nutanix box, but you got an agent running on every one of those servers, and it all uploads to the cloud, and you can get your compliance reporting and your risk assessments and your vulnerability reporting all from those amazing Azure portals, but it works on-prem and in the cloud. So there's some real cool layers that have been added that really make a big difference from that perspective.
I think that comes back to that comment about the technology catching up with the desire. The desire has always been there to do these things, but when you're running multiple tool sets and multiple, you know, global admins on different products and who has what and access to what, yeah, it does become not only an administrative difficulty, but also a security difficulty. And now that technology is, or I should say the technology has been there, but the administration of the technology is catching up with what people really want to do and keeping it compliant and keeping it safe in the security world at the same time as well. So
Yeah, absolutely.